Hello, here I will show you how you can easily export your SortSwift cards from Shopify to eBay in bulk with our Shopify eBay app from Lions, and automatically store the card conditions in eBay. As a first step, simply open our app and go to the product export area. Then select the products you want to export to eBay. You can select them using the various filters, like here, for example, via the collections. After we have loaded the desired products, you can either select them individually or select all filtered products at once for export to eBay. Then click on the Export Products to eBay button. The area for the export settings will then open for you. Now it is crucial that you select the eBay category for your cards under point 1.1. Then it is important that you select the ungraded condition under point 2. Finally, you only need to activate the checkbox that exports each variant of your product as a single listing to eBay. This will then export each card condition such as lightly played or near mint as a single listing to eBay. And as a final step, simply click on the green Export Products button at the bottom right. Your products will then be automatically exported to eBay in the background. And that's it. That's how easy it is to export your SortSwift cards to eBay in bulk. If you want to export your cards automatically as soon as they are created in Shopify, I would like to show you in our other video how you can automatically export products to eBay.